Yo, what is going on? So this is how to obtain Zerodha API key. So the first is to sign up for Kite Connect. Go to zerodha.com and register for Kite Connect account. This will enable you to access Zerodha API. Second, generate an API key. Once you've signed up, log into your Kite Connect account and navigate to the settings or profile section. Look for the API keys or developer settings, one of them, and then click on it. Create a new API. You may need to fill out a form or provide additional information to create an API key. This will generate a unique API key and secret key for your application. Note down the API key and secret key. Make sure you store them in a note. You will soon need them to authenticate your API requests. In your application, use the API key and the secret key to authenticate and authorize API requests to Zerodha servers. Alternative method, using an encrypted token. Instead of API key, you can also use an encrypted token, ENC token, and generated when you log into the Zerodha Kite app in your browser. This token can be used to authenticate API requests without requiring an API key actually. So you're gonna log into Zerodha app, access the Zerodha and log into your account in your browser, generate the ENC token. The ENC token will be generated automatically when you log in. You can find it in the browser's developer tool or network request. In your application, you can use the ENC token to authenticate API requests to Zerodha servers. Remember to never share ENC tokens and keep them private, and that is it.